Okay, good morning everyone. This is Vishwamit Kumar. Today I'm just telling you the next part of the Let's Work Together chapter. 18 years ago, million of my brother and sister in 106 countries marched across 80,000 kilometers, and a new international law against child labor was born. We have done this. You may ask, what can one person do? Let me tell you a story I remember from my childhood. A terrible fire had broken out in the forest. All the animals were running away, including a lion, king of the forest. Suddenly, the lion saw a teeny bird rushing toward the fire. He asked the bird, "What are you doing, baby? What are you doing?" To the lion's surprise, the bird replied, "I am on my way to extinguish the fire." What does the bird say? "I am on my way to extinguish the fire." The lion laughed and said, "How can you kill the fire with just one drop of water in your beak?" The bird was adamant and said, "But I am doing my bit, and you are nothing. You are nothing to do for this." You and I live in the age of the rapid globalizations. We are connected through high speed internet. We exchange goods and services in the single global market. Each day, thousands of flights connect us to every corner of the globe. Kala Satyarthi want to say, I mean to say that ये कहने का मतलब नहीं है, कला सत्यार्थी की कहने का मतलब ये है कि ये आदमी जो सोचता है, आई मीन द पीपल्स थिंक लाइक दिस, वन मैन कैनॉट डू some things, but if it desirable to do that, can do everything. But there is one things, they should have a desire to wish to complete that task, to achieve that goal at any cost. Definitely they can do that. In the same way, and next things they said, but there is one serious disconnect. It is the lack of the compassion. Let us inculcate and transfer the individual compassions into global movement. Let us globalize compassion, not passive compassions, but transformative compassion that lead to justice, equality, and freedom. He also want to say there is one serious disconnect. एक चीज़ जो है हम लोग उससे डिस्कनेक्ट हुए हैं. इट इज़ अ लैक ऑफ द कंपैशन. कंपैशन की कमी है. वो कैसे कंपैशन की कमी है? लेट अस inculcate in mean instill and transfer individual compassions. किस में ट्रांसफ़र करना है? इंडिविजुअल कंपैशन को एक ग्लोबल मूवमेंट्स में ट्रांसफ़र करना है. मतलब सबका एक विचार होना चाहिए, सबका. मतलब एवरी वन think and consider on a one single string, consider on a single thread, I mean single points. Then after we can achieve our futures and can secure our futures, secure our earth life. Also want to say no passive compassions but transformative compassions. यानी कि पैसिव कंपैशन की ज़रूरत नहीं है, ट्रांसफॉर्मेटिव कंपैशन की ज़रूरत है, where we will get justice, equality and freedoms. Mahatma Gandhi said, if we are to teach real peace in the world, we shall have to begin with the children. I humbly add, let us unite the world through the compassion for our children. Whose childrens are there? Sorry, whose childrens are they who teach football yet have never played with one? They are our childrens. Whose childrens are they who minus stones and minerals? They are our childrens. Whose childrens are they who harvest cocoas yet do not know the taste of the chocolate? They are all our childrens. Devils was born into intergenerational stepped and bonded labor in India. Sitting in my car immediately after he accused the 8 years old girl asked, "Why did you not come earlier?" Her angry questions still shock me and has the power to shake the world. Our question is for all of us. Why did we not come earlier? What are we waiting for? How many more devils will we allow to go without rescues? How many more girls will be abducted, confined, and abused? Children like devils across the world and are questioning our inactions and watching our action. देखिए हम सब काम कर रहे हैं, जब धीरे धीरे जो ये वर्क कर रहे हैं इससे धीरे धीरे हमारे अंदर जो अच्छाइयाँ जो हैं, हमारे ग्लोबल गुडनेस, वो ट्रेडिशनल जो चीज़ें थी पहले से थी, वो धीरे धीरे ख़त्म हो रही हैं। तो ये जो ख़त्म हो रही हैं तो आने वाले जनरेशन जो होगा वो क्वेश्चन करेगा, हमसे पूछेगा कि आप पहले क्यों नहीं आया। ये जो क्वेश्चन उठा रहे हैं पहले क्यों नहीं उठाया, पहले क्यों नहीं ये सारे चीज़ें सोचें, आज आपको सोचने की क्यों ज़रूरत है। वो आपके इनएक्शन पे नहीं, एक्शन के बारे में देखेगा कि आप कैसा एक्शन ले रहे हैं। वी नीड कलेक्टिव एक्शंस विद द सेंस ऑफ अर्जेंसी। एवरी सिंगल मिनट मैटर, एवरी सिंगल चाइल्ड मैटर, एवरी सिंगल चाइल्डहुड मैटर। एक चीज़ की बात नहीं कर रहा है, वो कह रहा है कि एवरी मिनट्स, एवरी चाइल्ड, एवरी सिंगल चाइल्ड एंड एवरी सिंगल चाइल्डहुड इज मैटर। सो वी डू नॉट forget and drop anything. I challenge the passivity and pessimize surrounding our children. I challenge this culture of silence, this culture of neutrality. I therefore call upon all the governments, intergovernmental agencies, business with faith leader, the civil society, and each one of us to put an into all the form of the violence against the children. Slavery, trafficking, child marriage, child labor, sexual abuse, and illiteracies have no place in any civil society. अरे चलो हम सब उठते हैं, ये सारे चीज़ें जो हैं बैड एबल्स हैं हमारी सोसाइटी से, इसको रिमूव करते हैं। फ्रेंड्स, वी कैन डू दिस। गवर्नमेंट मस्ट make child friendly policy and invest in education, and young people's business must be more responsible and open to innovative partnership. Intergovernmental agencies must work together to accelerate action. Global civil society must raise above business and as usuals and scatter agendas. Faith leaders and institutes and all of us must stand with our children. We must be bold. हमें bold बनने की ज़रूरत है. We must be ambitious and we must have the will to take action against these bad evils from our society. We must keep our promise. Over 50 years ago, on the first day of my schools, I met a cobbler boys, my age, sitting at the school gate polishing shoes. I asked my teacher these questions: why is he doing outside the schools? Why is he not coming to the schools with me? My teacher had no answer. He's silent in mood. One day, I gathered to courage to ask the boy's father. He said, "Sir, I have never thought about it, We are just born to work. We are just born to work. Is this answer? Is this type of the answer? We are living in a independent country. Everyone has a right to take education. But is this way to take education? So you can consider and think about upon these questions. I mean, in our Indian constitutions, everyone has a right to take education from 6 to 14. But you can watch in our hotels and such type of the in non-governmental agencies, some children are working and giving the service of the peoples. They didn't take education. Parents told is born for work. This is not the proper answer. And children silent in mode, looking innocent. Okay, so next. This made me angry and it still makes me angry. I challenged it then and I'm challenging it today. Challenging, it means what? Challenging you, challenging we such type of peoples we can do and we can raise this, we can raise and take action such a bad evil things. As a child, I have a vision of tomorrow that cobbler boys were studying with me in my classrooms. Now that tomorrow has become today, I'm a today, and you are today. Today is it is a time for every child to have the right to life, right to freedom, and the right to health, the right to education, the right to safety, the right to dignity, the right to equality, and the right to peace. Yes, my dear Aaron, before I just spoke about to right to education in the same way. Here, Kailash Satyarthi mean to say everyone, I mean every child has a right to take education, right to live, right to be healthy, right to uh, peace. But there is no peace in our society. So thank you for listening me in this video, and I will tell you in the next information of the speech of the Kailash Satyarthi in next video. Thank you for watching.